In the heart of Mali sits a magnificent structure that whispers tales of devotion and communal spirit to all who gaze upon it, the Great Mosque of Djenné. Constructed in 1907, this iconic mosque stands on the foundation of earlier edifices dating back to the 13th century under the first great ruler of the region, Khoi Konboro, who converted to Islam. The mosque is not only a place of worship, it is a cherished emblem of architectural ingenuity. Built entirely of sun-baked mud bricks and adorned with smooth plaster, the mosque rises majestically, while its facade is punctuated by spherical domes and protruding wooden beams known as torin. These beams serve both an aesthetic and practical purpose. They act as scaffolding for annual repairs, showcasing the community's unwavering effort in preserving their sacred site. Every year, the people of Djenné come together for a grand festival dedicated to the mosque's maintenance. As the dry season arrives and the rains cease, the entire town congregates. Men, women, and children undertake the task of recoating the mosque, ensuring its endurance against the harsh climate. With dedicated zeal, villagers mix mud and water, carry it in baskets to the skilled plasterers, forming a human chain that epitomizes teamwork and solidarity. The atmosphere during these repairs is celebratory. Traditional music fills the air as hands deep in clay chatter about their predecessors' expertise. The children learn not only the skills required, but absorb stories of past generations who have contributed to the mosque's splendor. In enhancing the Great Mosque for Allah, the villagers forge a narrative of unity that transcends mere bricks. The Great Mosque of Djenné is more than a religious structure. It is a living testament to Allah's teachings on cooperation, resilience, and the power of community.